How to export a CapCut video to YouTube on PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now say for example you have somehow created something here on your CapCut PC and then you want to upload this to YouTube. Here's what you can do. First things first, I want you to go ahead and hit the export button up here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. I'm going to put this on the desktop, and then I can go ahead and name this one CapCut to YouTube. Alright, and then you can go ahead and change some settings here depending on your preference, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with it, and then I'm going to hit the export button here. Now that it's exported, we can go ahead and click open folder to see it. I'm just going to cancel this one, and then I'm also going to go ahead and open YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and click the create button here, click upload video, and I'm going to go ahead and open that one. So it was this one right here. Let's go ahead and basically drag this one here in YouTube. Alright, so as you can see, it is now uploading the video to YouTube, so you can go ahead and put here the necessary requirements like the title, the description. If you have the thumbnail, you can definitely upload one here, or you can choose from the thumbnails in here. Playlist, you can put this in different playlists if you have. And then for the audience, I'm going to choose no, it's not made for kids. And then if you have a paid promotion, go ahead and check this one. And then what you're going to do is just try to check the settings here and try to check which one fits for you, and you can go ahead and adjust this one. Once the video is done uploading, you are going to go ahead and click the next button here. You can add a subtitle, you can add an end screen, you can add cards, and then if you're going to go ahead and click next, there is a copyright check, so you're going to have to wait for this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose public. That is if you want everyone to see it, or if you want only you to be able to see it and some of your friends who has a link, go ahead and choose unlisted. Again, choosing public is what I want. After doing so, I can go ahead and click the publish button right here. And just like that, you can go ahead and click the link here, and you should be able to see your video. And that is how to export a CapCut video to YouTube on PC.